Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Viknesh and in this video we are going to see how with Google Cloud Run using Python as our client library. Without any further delay, let's get started. First and the foremost thing is you have to enable API to work with this to work with this lab. So we are going to use three services. One is the artifact registry, and the next one is cloud build, and the third one is cloud run. So you have to make sure that API of that particular services has been enabled. So you can just copy this and you can just execute it here, or you can do it from your console also. So I have already enabled it. For me, all the three services has been enabled. If you are not enabled it, please make sure you enable that service. So what we are going to do, or what we are going to see as part of this lab, is we are going to host a simple web service which will return as hello with the keyword. So for example, here you can see it is going to return as hello cloud and AI analytics. This is what I am going to return it here. This is what we are going to return it. We are going to containerize it and we are going to host it as a web service. So for hosting it, I'll be using the local host port number 8080. The host is 0.0.0.0, which is localhost. And for that, I'm importing two packages: import OS from Flask, import Flask, and app is called to Flask name. Like I'm going to I defined a Flask object as well. And here you can see this is a simple functionality which is going to return me this hello and whatever the name which I'm passing it here. Hello world is going to return me hello cloud and AI analytics. So and this is my main functionality app.run, and it is debug to host and what is the port number also. Like this is what it is going to get the environment variable and it is going to return me. So this is a very simple function and a very straightforward application as well. So what are the requirements? So we are using two. One is Flask and the next one is Unicorn web server, and the respective version whatever I'm going to use. And this is my Docker file. So the first thing is, in our previous video also I have explained you, after returning, like as a developer, our job is to write the code and to contain and to create a container image out of it. So this is what this Docker file is going to do for me. It is going to create a Docker image from Python environment, Python buffer to, and I'm going to create a separate video on Kubernetes, Docker, and DevOps, a separate playlist where we will be able to see what are the different services for that particular use case, like DevOps, Kubernetes. We will be seeing that in depth on that video. Just try to understand a basic functionality like Python environment, and environment is the app home. That is the app we are calling that functionality, and we are installing all the dependencies here, and we are going to execute this server Unicorn server. Here you can see run the web service on container startup. Here we use G Unicorn web server with one worker process and 8 threads. Here you can see we have only one worker and 8 threads, and timeout is set to be 0. And here we are calling the main app functionality, main app. And here you can see Unicorn bind the port number 8080. And this is the requirement, and this is my simple functionality, and this is the docker.ignore. So what I'm going to do is I'm making sure that I'm inside this functionality, inside this directory, docker file. Here it is, requirement.txt and main.py. So to run it, you can use gcloud run deploy, and the one which you are going to do, everything is a custom. So it is going to call the source image by default itself. So gcloud run deploy, and here you can see source code location. This is my source code location. I'm just hitting enter, and the directory it is also, it is going to be current directory itself. Service name is hello run, and then you can see I'm going to pick one region. So that is US West 4. So 37 is my region, and I'm going to hit enter. So now it is going to ask for like whether we want to unauthenticate. We wanted to continue with unauthenticated invocations. So if you want, we can give yes, or else we can deny it. So I'm going to give yes. So this is my command, like gcloud build submit tag, that is the image name hello run, and then it is going to do this gcloud run deploy. Hello run is my source image. First it is going to create an image for me, and then it is going to run the image, and it is for unauthenticated invocations as well, and I'm going to give yes. So this will take some time. I'll pass this video here. Once this is done, I'll come back and I'll explain you what it has done. So before passing it, I just wanted to show you. So this Cloud Run is completely new. It is a fresh page. Once after completing this, we will be able to see one service which has been created in this image or in this page. So I'll pass now. Yeah, after 1 minute 20 seconds, I am able to see a service has been created, that is Halloran. Revision is Halloran 0001, has been deployed and is serving 100% of traffic. So there is only one version, and that version is going to serve 100% of traffic. And if you want, you can redeploy the multiple versions and you can split the traffic as well. And this is the service URL. If you want, you can click from here, or else you will be able to see it from here as well. So if I refresh, you can see hello run. There is one image version. If you just click on this, whatever we seen in our previous video, you'll be able to see the metrics, SOLS logs. You'll be able to see this logs as well, and the revisions. Basically, we have only one revision. If you want, we will be able to split, like you will be able to do multiple revision, and it is deployed 1 minute ago. Networking, security triggers, integrations, and YAML file as well. So here you can see hello cloud and AI analytics. This is my simple web page which is returning this hello cloud and AI analytics. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.